Introduction to HTML, Understanding Basic Elements. What is HTML? HTML, HyperText Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create web pages. It defines the structure and layout of a web page by using various elements. Structure of HTML. HTML uses a tree-like structure known as the Document Object Model, DOM. Elements are used to define the different parts of a web page. HTML document structure. An HTML document consists of nested elements. The basic structure includes keys and tags. Heading element. Headings are used to define titles or subtitles on a web page. There are 6 levels of headings, from largest to smallest. Paragraph element. The tag is used to define paragraphs of text. It creates a new paragraph with proper spacing between content. Button element. Buttons are interactive elements used for user actions. The tag creates clickable buttons on a web page. Example of heading: Welcome to my website, About us, our services. Example of paragraph. This is a paragraph of text. HTML allows you to structure and format content. Another paragraph can be written here. Example of button Click Me Visit Now. Recap HTML provides a structure for web content. Key elements like headings, paragraphs, and buttons enhance user experience. Thank you. Encourage questions from viewers. Thank viewers for watching and encourage them to practice HTML.